Today, this presentation will tell you about all different material that you use. The oldest material is handex, and primitive man uses the handex, and they're using to break the animal's bone, and they are using the stone to like weapon to get meat from the animal. Rock and mineral. Stone, rocks. Inca people used the stone and rocks to make the cities. And the long ago, people used to collect the gems. Uh, some gems are crystals, and always the rock and minerals are same shape. Clay and metals. Clay is a dough with the sand, grass, or something over, and metal, alloy with the metal ores, another metal ores, and they mixture together. Glasses made of the sand, and we burn it with the fire sand, then we can make the glasses. But glasses, long ago, it was not that hard, and it was not that powerful, so nowadays people are making more powerful glasses like bulletproof glasses.
You see the bulletproof glass?
Video.
Not video.
Concrete made long ago. People used to make the building with the stone, rock, or something. But nowadays, people are using concrete to make the building. Concrete. The first time the concrete came out, it was not that strong and sticky and not good to make the building. It was a little bit dangerous. So nowadays, scientists are making more stronger concrete too. Material that we grow. There is 5 examples that I bring it, and the first example is cotton. Cotton came from cotton flower, and second example is wool. Wool came from lamb, and third example is paper. Paper came from wood. Uh, and fourth example is pearl, and pearl came from oyster. And the fifth example is rubber, and rubber came from rubber trees. Oil and natural gases. Oil came from like a million years ago. The animal died a dead corpse. They were getting underground, and next like million years later, people drill underground. Then we can get the oil and natural gases. Plastic and nylon. People made the plastic with chemical, but almost the plastic are made of petrochemical, and nylon is soft plastic. Acrylic, people use that to drawing paint, and when acrylic is wet, we can mix with the water, but if it's dry, we can't mix with the water. Silicon and fiber optic cable. Silicon came from silica, and we can find silica in the sand. And silicon we are using with the part of the computer. And fiber optic cable is made of glass or plastic, and light can travel on the fiber optic cable. Liquid crystal and aerosol. Liquid crystal is like a liquid, and electricity can make it see inside. And silica aerogel is lightest material in the world, and 99.8% air, so we can't almost see it. Finding material. Nowadays, people are finding different rocks, minerals. So the finder is geologist, and machine can find the minerals and rock too, with the drilling. Mine, water, and soil. People dig find to cold, and they're making mine to find better. And they get the sea water in the pond and they dry. They can get the salt. It's salt pond, and they're finding gold in the soil, and they're using pen for gold to find easily. In the future, there's a there will be nanomaterial. Scientists will make the tiny material for computer or something. For example, there will be a nanobots, and electricity fabric is we can feel normal, but there is has electrical part. For example, electronic clothes. Living object is bad to use always petrochemical. It's not good at environment though, so people will make the grow the living object, like for example home made from living tree. And changing our world. First, they are using rock, grass, or something to use material, but now the scientists of development so different material will use it, so there will be special creative thing product will came out, like really thin TV get that we can fold. Thank you for listening.
Questions? Questions? Any questions for Eric? Questions?
Mike, why don't you ask her?
What is coal? What is coal?
Coal, we can put a fire and we can burn it, and some coal we can use with the heat, or we can get the energy with the coal. No questions?
It's very interesting. You don't have any questions. I think he gave you a lot of information. Okay, thanks very much. Good job.